All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So in addition to, something else to consider. Yeah. In addition to writing, I will have to sort out editing too. I will be reading in addition to recording. Yeah, things to consider that are connected. Yeah. Yeah. I went there in addition to this country. Yes. We did that in addition to this. Yeah, quite important. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Did you go there in addition to that mountain? I went there in addition to climbing the mountain. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She worked in addition to him. Yeah, they worked together as a team. Yeah. How cool is that? Definitely. We walked in addition to them. We walked with them, in addition to them, along the path. I'm going in addition to her to the shop. We're planning on it. Planning in addition to going there with them. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Do you think he will go in addition to her to the island? Yeah, they might. They might go in addition to each other. Maybe. Maybe. Depends on things. Yeah. Yeah. I will write it in addition to edit it. Yeah. The story. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use in addition to in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or in addition to Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.